you really expect the world to be fair with you, then you're only fooling yourself. The world can never be fair. Maybe if you're royal, but there are also royal families who suffer a lot, who go through a lot of struggle. The majority of the people, the world will never be fair. So if you expect it to be fair to you, you're fooling yourself in the sense that it's like you're expecting a lion not to eat you simply because the lion was not eaten by you. The lion will not spare you, will not know that this guy did not eat me. If the lion is hungry, the lion will eat you. And the world is always hungry, always looking for you to eat. So if you leave yourself so, thinking that will be fair, then yeah. So don't fool yourself. The world is always rough.